Hello, this is Kinosis. Today, to utilize the space above a clear drawer, I'm going to make a holder for hex wrenches and spanners. First, I cut the shelf rail with a 3-inch grinder. I prepared some scrap wood and magnets. It's a simple structure, but I'm aiming to make it custom fit into the shelf rail gap. Sizing it correctly is quite a tricky job. I have lots of magnets since I've developed many magnet utilizing products. I'll introduce those products later. I cut the wood. When using the hand planer, it looks like my clothes are fluttering, but they are safely away from the blade. It looks a bit alarming on video due to an optical illusion. Always work safely, everyone. The process of using both the hand planer and the automatic planer is truly beautiful. The hand planer flattens the rough, scarred wood on two sides, then the table saw cuts the width, and finally the automatic planer sets the height, making all 4 sides flat. This is basic woodworking, but the way these machines work together in perfect harmony always amazes me. Having such a great system in your workshop is something to be thankful for. However, for beginners, this can be overwhelming due to the pressure to prepare various woodworking machines. Therefore, I recommend plywood for novice woodworkers. You don't need a hand planer or an automatic planer because it's already flat and the thickness is preset. I'm drilling holes for the magnets. The newly made drill press dust collection system works excellently. When inserting the magnets, make sure to match the polarity. Otherwise, the materials you hang below will stick to each other. Neodymium magnets are very strong, so it's convenient to attach them to a metal ruler. I used hot melt glue to secure the magnets. It's a simple job, but using a router gives it a smooth finish. I used a chisel to fit it snugly into the shelf rail. Then I engraved it with a laser engraver. You can store hex wrenches and star wrenches by size. I secured it from above with screws. I used a small lift to adjust the height. I fixed two types of wrenches. There was enough space to fix the spanners as well. Seeing the spanners and wrenches neatly arranged by size looks great. I'm pleased with how the space is utilized. Thank you.